Welcome back to Agnes Kitchen. This summer I came to India. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade bread in my grandma's kitchen. Let's get started. First grab 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 cup of lukewarm water and then stir it up very well. Now we keep this aside for fermentation until it becomes the double size. I've taken here 9 cups of flour, add a half cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. After that, add the yeast mixture, 3 cups of water and mix it very well until it's not too sticky or too dry. Then add half a cup of oil and knead the dough very well. Now we are going to set it aside for 1 hour. Now it's ready. Now we are going to cut into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to put these into 4 baking pans. Now I'm going to spread butter all over my baking pans. More butter on top of the bread. Now I'm going to leave it for some time until it rises up. Now preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Now we can bake these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's tasting time! So delicious! If you like this video, go down there, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And comment down below what you want me to make next. Thanks for watching. Bye!